I'm Ricardo, and this is Petit Coding. Okay, so last time we did a test for October 18, 2019 at 3 a.m. Then for the Marksman, for the support emblem, it should return October 21, 2019, right? So let's do the same test. Just test get friendly date for Marksman emblem when date is October 18, 2019 at 3 hours 00 minutes, then should return October, so this is 3 days 24 2019 friendly string. So it's basically the same thing here. Going to copy and paste it, that integration test, emblem data, and instead of doing this, I'm going to my timestamp converter, and well, yeah, it's the same one, right? But instead of support, I'm going to use Marksman, and I'm going to do Command U. Just to see this failing test, it should say October 24, not October 21st. Since this is testing, oh yeah, I have to, the test succeeded because I'm not doing the integration test. Make sure you select this integration test and do Command U. And now the test is failing, you see? So it's because it's October 24 at 8 a.m. and not 21, and that's fine because that's actually what we need. So Command U, and the test is still failing. Why? Command U. Oh yeah, it's not Monday, it's Thursday. Command U. That's fine. And now the test is passing. Yeah, because it's not the same Monday, right? Okay. Next, let's do the same test, the same integration test. Let's just source control commit and push. Let's first push. So created a second integration test for Marksman app. I think we have to do it for just all these edge cases. So I committed my file and push. That's it. Let's do it for all the emblems, and I think that will end the video. So let's just copy and paste these tests, and let's say get friendly day for not Marksman emblem this time. This time should be tank emblem, right? So for tank emblem, when October is 18, 19, so it should return October, not 24, but plus 3, 27, 2019, it's friendly string, right? Instead of Marksman, let's put a tank, and this is 27, and let's see what day it should be. So Command U, and this is not working because it should say Sunday, right? And it is a Sunday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? So Command U, and this integration test is passing. So let me just commit and push. Let's see. Added integration test to test the tank emblem. Commit one file and push. Okay, let's keep going with this because I just want to make sure I get all the emblems for the integration tests. Marksman, tank, jungle. Let's do jungle. So for jungle emblem, it's not 27, October 30th, and let's see if we can do this right. So it should be October 30th, and it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Should be this should be a Wednesday. Command U. That does not fail. It's Sunday again? Oh, because I didn't. It's not tank. It should be jungle. Command U. And now the test is passing. So commit one file and push. Added integration tests for jungle emblem. Push to remote, commit one file and push. Okay, let's see what's the next emblem we have here. So Django Assassin. Assassin is the next test that we need here. I'm going to copy and paste this. Now it's not a jungle, but it's an assassin emblem. So assassin emblem when date is October 18, 1996, it should return 31st, November 1, November 2, right? So it should return November 02. And this should be 2 November, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's see if I'm doing all of this right for the assassin. Command U. Yeah, so it's working, right? Let's commit this integration test. Added test for assassin emblem. Okay, commit one file and push. Now I'm thinking we need to refactor this because we're doing everything here. Yeah, I think we can replace this SUT with this emblem data. And replace all this stuff here. Let me just refactor the tests. Command U. Still passing. And I think we can get the let emblem formatter equals emblem date formatter. Command C, Command V. Okay, that works. Let's see if I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Command U. Integration tests are still passing, and I also can get out the current date since it's the same for every single one of them. Current date, current date here, current date, current date, and current date. Command U. Yep, it's working. And also get available date. This is, I think I can refactor this into a method, right? I think I can refactor, extract method, and I can say assert date is, so I need an expected date here. Expected date string, and this is a string, right? And it can be like this first, and I'm going to pass in it like this, and assert expected date string. Command U, and it's passing. So this is a helper method. Refactor rename. Assert friendly date is. Refactor that. Command U. And I can do this for all the tests. No, I need to pass in assert friendly date is for emblem. Okay, so for for .support in this case. And instead of this, I'm going to put an emblem here and a comma here, and now we're talking, right? Command U. Okay, and then let me just get it again here. This will not be support, this will be for Marksman, and I can get rid of this, and the date should be like this. Command C, Command V, insert friendly date is right. Command U. Okay, that's cool. The same thing here for tank, and I'm going to place this in here, and I'm refactoring all the code now. Command U. That's working perfectly. Now, no. Now I'm going to put over here this, and this is not tank. This is jungle emblem, and this should be the date. Command U. That's fine. And I'm going to copy this, and this is not jungle, this is assassin. I'm going to copy this date here. Format date should be like this here, and I'm going to erase this here. Command U. Okay, that's fine. I want this, Command X, in my over here. Mark helper methods. Okay, going to mark my helper methods here. Command U again, and now I'm going to commit and push refactor integration tests in order to make code more clean. Okay, push to remote, commit and push. Let's just finish this stuff with the other tests that we have here. Mage and fighter, right? So we need mage and fighter for the current date. So I'm just going to copy this. And for mage emblem, when date is October 18, 2023, that should return November 3, November 5th, 2019, friendly string. So November 5th, and this is a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So this should be a Tuesday. Tuesday. Command U. Not for assassin, but for mage. Command U. So test is passing, commit, added tests for mage. Push to remote, commit one file and push. And let's do that for the final one. The final one is, let me just copy and paste this. When October is for fighter emblem, I'm going to say fighter emblem. When date is October 18, 2019, then it should return November 8th, right? November 8th, Tuesday. Plus 3 is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this should be a Friday. Friday. It should be like this for fighter emblem. Command U. And all the tests are passing. So this is enough for integration tests, right? So I'm going to commit and push. Added Refactor Emblem for integration tests. Commit one file and push. So that's it for the video today. Those are integration tests, and actually they are optional. But for now, it's enough to have only those 8 integration tests, since integration tests are not so easy to maintain as unit tests. And it's just giving a feeling that it's working in integration, right? Just to give an idea. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time!